Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be talking about the Google Ads language settings and the best practices for the language targeting. So this is a crucial topic for anyone who runs Google Ads campaign in countries with multiple languages like India, Switzerland and Canada. Do you consider the language setting a most important aspect, especially when you deal with a country that speaks a lot of languages? The answer to this is absolutely. When you are doing the ads in a multilingual country, language targeting is essential for reaching the right audience and maximizing your return on investment. By targeting your ads to specific languages, you can ensure that your message is being seen by people who are most likely to understand and engage with it. Here are some of the benefits of using the language targeting. First is the increased relevance. Your ads will be more relevant to users, which can lead to higher click-through rates and conversions. Improved targeting. You can target your ads to specific demographic and interest within each language group. Reduced wasted ad spend. You won't be wasting money showing your ads to people who won't understand them. The next is how can you set the language targeting. So now for that, you need to log into Google Ads dashboard, access the settings tab. There you can see the location settings sections. Select the language. Best practices for language targeting is number 1, avoid language mismatches. Dedicate a campaign for each language where targeting multiple languages in a single campaign. You risk showing irrelevant ads to the users, leading to wasted ad spend and poor campaign performance. Imagine a French speaker encountering an English ad. The language barrier would likely deter them from clicking. To ensure a seamless user experience and maximize conversions, create dedicated campaign for each language that you want to target. This allows you to tailor your ad copy, the keywords and the landing pages to the specific language and cultural nuances of your target audience. By dedicating campaigns to individual languages, you can enhance relevance, craft compelling ad messages that resonate with your target audience considering their language preferences and cultural sensitivities. The next is the optimized targeting. Utilize language-specific keyword to ensure your ads appear when users search in their native language. Improve conversion rates. Guide users to localized landing pages that match their language preferences, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Remember, effective language targeting goes beyond simply selecting languages in your campaign settings. It's about creating a cohesive and culturally relevant experience for each language group you aim to reach. Dedicate separate campaigns to each language and you will be well on your way to maximizing your global ads efforts. Thanks for watching. I hope this information shared above was helpful. If you have any question, please do let us know in the comment sections below and we will definitely get back to you as soon as possible. Please do like, share and subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon.